hand over your heart. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Hi, I'm Mariana, and this is my artwork.
I'm James, and this is my
I'm Logan, and this is my artwork.
Mariana, did this take a long time?
Yes.
Would you be surprised to know that you've been working on it since the middle of December?
Yes.
What do you think has been the hardest part of making this art?
I think it would be probably here because you have to like use different colors and like do the yellow stripe and the pink stripe.
Do you think it takes perseverance to finish this?
Yes.
Do you think you have the perseverance to finish it? Because I noticed you still have some work you intend to do on it.
Yes.
Excellent. Thanks so much.
My name is Mason, and this is my artwork.
Mason, what's been the hardest part of making this art?
Probably drawing the scales because there were several of them, and it was hard to make them all look the same size.
Would you be surprised to know that you've been working on this since the middle of December?
Probably not, because it's taken very long because there's so much detail that I have to paint.
Do you think it's taking perseverance to finish it?
Yeah, because there's just a lot to do, and you have to know, like, to keep going.
What's helping you to keep going like that? Because you've put a lot of time and detail into this.
Probably because I like the theme, because I really like drawing, like, detailed, like, scales and, like, patterns.
Great, thanks so much for sharing it with us.
Yeah.
James, your artwork has a ton of detail and a lot of little lines. Is it taking perseverance to finish?
Yes.
Do you think you'll be able to do that last section and get it done?
Yeah.
What's been the hardest part of making this art?
Trying to focus when other people are loud.
Well, it's coming out great, and I really am excited for you to persevere and get it done. Thanks so much for sharing it with us. Hey Logan, your artwork has a lot of detail. Would you be surprised to know that you've been working on it since the middle of December?
A little. It took a long time.
How did you persevere to finish? Because you actually have yours done and mounted, and you painted lots of little areas. Like, how did you persevere to get it done?
I just didn't talk in class. I was just focused on my artwork.
Well, it came out great. Thank you so much. It's interesting that two different artists talked about focusing as a way to persevere. They also mentioned not talking and working in a quiet space is more helpful. Let's listen in to Miss Vizzy's class. Don't adjust your volume. This is how focused they are on their art. Have a listen. What will you persevere at? How will you help yourself and people around you focus?
Responsible, we learn continue doing something or trying to do something even when it's hard. Stick with things and don't give up easily. Improve with practice. Achieve great things when you are persistent. When you make a mistake. Keep trying until you get it. Stay positive. Go toward your goal. It's our best. Continue to try even when something is hard. We persevere when we lose hope. We persevere when we move fast.
Oh, hi guys. I'm just updating our American Heart Association Kids Heart Challenge poster. We're doing awesome. We've now raised over $750 and we have over 25 students signed up. That's more than 3/4 of the way to our goal on the money, and we're getting there on our participants. So keep signing up. Remember that the class that gets the most students to sign up gets a free PE session. Super exciting. So tell your classmates if they haven't signed up to sign up. You've got until the end of February. I'm also really proud of all the work you guys have been doing in our activities that get our heart rate up and challenge us to control our heart rate. You guys are doing great with that. You're learning a ton. You're working really hard. I'm super proud. Let's keep it up through the month of February. Woo!
Love grows 1 by 1, 2 by 2, and 4 by 4. Love grows round like a circle and comes back knocking at your front door. Love grows 1 by 1, 2 by 2, and 4 by 4. Love grows round like a circle and comes back knocking at your front door.
Note by note we make a song, voice by voice we sing it, choir by choir we fill up the world with the music that we bring in.
Love grows 1 by 1, 2 by 2, and 4 by 4. Love grows round like a circle and comes back knocking at your front door.
So let me take your hand, my friend. We'll each take the hand of another. Hand in hand we'll reach round the world to our sisters and our brothers.
Love grows 1 by 1, 2 by 2, and 4 by 4. Love grows round like a circle and comes back knocking at your front door.
Love grows
1 by 1, 2 by 2, and 4 by 4. Love grows round like a circle and comes back knocking at your front door.
Hi everyone, this is Donlin here. I wanted to remind you that we are all shining through to 2022 this year. And a reminder to you that we are still nominating people in our Coxsackie Elementary community for our Shining Through Awards. So one thing I think about at the beginning of the year, and Happy New Year to you all, is setting new goals for myself. And when I set new goals, a lot of times I have to really persevere to meet those goals. They're not easy sometimes. So I am hoping to see some of you who set some goals for yourself, or maybe your teachers have set goals for you, persevering through the difficult times and working hard. And you can nominate a friend that you see persevering. You can nominate a teacher, and teachers, please nominate those wonderful students of yours for our Shining Through Awards. Perseverance is just an example of one of the ways that you can shine through to 2022. Talk to your boys and girls, talk to your teacher, and they can tell you more ways to shine through. I hope to see lots of names up on our bulletin board. Thank you.
Today we're going to read The Electric Slide and Kai, written by Kelly J. Baptist and illustrated by Darnell Johnson. Well, it's about time, Mama says, waving a fancy paper in the air. What is it, Mama? I ask. This, Mama says, is a wedding invitation. Who's getting married? Asks my big sister Mila. Auntie Nina, Mama says. To Mr. Troy? Asks my little sister Ava. Yes, ma'am, Mama says. We all like Mr. Troy. He and Auntie Nina have been together forever. Mama says that each of us will have a part in the wedding. Ava will be a flower girl, and Mila will be a junior bridesmaid. My older brother, DJ, and I will carry the rings. That's cool, DJ says. But all I know is that I'll be tearing up the dance floor at the reception. That's right, DJ Groove, Daddy says, calling DJ by the nickname Granddad gave him. In the Donovan family, everyone has a dance nickname. Except me. I'm a terrible dancer. I can never get my moves right. At our family reunion last year, I tripped and knocked over my little cousin during the electric slide. That's our family's favorite dance. Everyone was upset because they had to stop the music and make sure we were okay. After that, I sat at a table while everyone else danced. When dinner is finished, DJ goes into the living room and turns on some music. Everybody forgets that it's his turn to wash the dishes, and they follow him. Mama and Daddy don't even look at their feet when they move right, left, backward, forward. Mila does a dip, smacks the floor, and still stays on beat with everybody else. Daddy calls, "Come on, Kai, jump in this electric slide." But I shake my head. I'd probably mess up everything. At bedtime, I ask Mama, "Are you sure I belong in this family?" "Of course you do," she gives me a big kiss. "You are the special Kai part of our family." "But I can't dance," I say. "Baby, you are as much a part of the Donovan family as anyone. You've got your own rhythm, and there's nothing wrong with that." Mama's words sound nice, and her hug is warm, but I don't want my own rhythm. I want the one everyone else has. How else will I get my dance nickname? In the morning, I wake up with a plan. I make a deal with Mila, who's the best dancer in our family. Granddad gave her the nickname Miss Boogie. "I'll wash dishes for a week if you teach me how to dance," I say. "This could be pretty hard," Mila says. "How about 2 weeks?" I sigh. "Okay, deal." "First things first, you gotta feel the beat," Mila says, turning on some music. Right, right, left, left, then back. I try to follow Mila's feet. Right, right, left, left, wait, what? I trip over my feet and fall down. "Yikes," says Mila. "Maybe we should take a break." The rest of the week is exactly the same. Mila shows me the steps, and I practice them in my room after I wash millions of dishes. "Yo, what are you doing?" DJ asks one night, watching me from the doorway. "I'm practicing," I tell him. "Mila showed me." "Stop," DJ says. "Mila showed you the steps, but you gotta come to DJ Groove for that special sauce." "Special sauce?" "Yeah," DJ says. "You have to put your own groove on it, Kai. What's your special move?" I shrug, but then I wiggle my shoulders. DJ nods. "That's cool, but check this out," he says, spinning and dropping to the floor. "Now you try that." I do try, but the spin makes me dizzy. DJ shakes his head. "Just keep practicing," he says, leaving my room. I practice day after day. Even Daddy helps me, stepping with me so I can get the turns right. My dancing is getting better, but I'm still not as good as everyone else in the family. 1 month passes, then 2. Soon we're packing up to go to the wedding. It's a long drive, so I make a deal with DJ to watch dance videos on his phone. When we finally get to Grandma and Granddad's house, I'm both excited and nervous. I really want Granddad to give me a dance nickname. "Hey, baby bounce," Granddad says, pinching Ava's cheek. "And how's Miss Boogie?" he says, grinning at Mila. Granddad shakes DJ's hand. "Look at how tall you are, DJ Groove." When he gets to me, Granddad covers my head with his big hand. "There's my Kai," he says. "Hi, Granddad," I say. No nickname yet, but I'm going to show him what I got on the dance floor. On the day of the wedding, Auntie Nina looks beautiful in her wedding dress, and my new Uncle Troy looks cool in his suit. DJ and I have to wear bow ties, which are annoying, but everyone tells us how handsome we are. After the ceremony, we take millions of pictures until it's finally time to head to the reception hall. I hear music playing before we even go inside, and my stomach starts flipping. Granddad's the first to get on the dance floor, and lots of dancing Donovans follow him. I'm stuck in my chair, watching the crowd. And then it happens. The song comes on. "It's time, y'all," says the DJ on the mic. "Time for the electric slide. Everybody up." Now's my chance. But what if I mess up? What if I fall again? I get up and sneak out of the reception hall. Maybe I'll hide outside until the song is over. It's a good plan until someone taps me on the shoulder. "What's up, nephew?" I turn around and see my Uncle Troy. Nothing," I tell him. "I'm just hanging out." That's funny. I hear you're a pretty good dancer," Uncle Troy says. He points back into the reception hall. "So you should be in there." I give Uncle Troy a look. He must not have seen me dance before. "Maybe you can teach me your moves," Uncle Troy says with a grin. "For real?" I ask. "For real," he says. "I'm a little nervous. I hear your granddad gives out nicknames, and I want to make sure I get a good one." "Me too," I tell him. "Well, let's go get it," Uncle Troy says. He holds out his fist, and I bump it with mine. We walk right into the middle of the dance floor and take spots in the line. Right, right, left, 2 steps back, to the front. Now what? I freeze, thinking I'm about to mess up. But then I see everyone around me smiling, not caring if they miss a step or 2. So I spin like DJ, dip like Mila, and wiggle my shoulders just like me. There's no tripping, no falling, no missing a beat. We spend another day with our family, and Granddad doesn't say a word about my nickname until we're about to start the long drive home. "All right, Lil Slide," he says. "Is that my dance nickname?" I ask. "Sure is," he says. "You put something mean on that dance, Kai, just like a Donovan." For the whole car ride, I can't stop grinning. I don't need DJ's phone to watch dance videos anymore. In my mind, I just replay the video of me, Lil Slide, tearing it up on the dance floor.